Welcome back. So today I bought a router. Let me show you what I got. So I bought this Bauer handheld 23121E-B. This is the corded. This is not the cordless version. And I have not used a router in probably since high school in wood shop, and never a handheld. It was always the one with the two handles. It's a variable speed, 1/4 inch chuck. Says it is 6.5 amps. And I also bought the Bauer 15-piece carbide router bit set. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got in here. To a instruction book, got some extra brushes as well. Okay, here is the router itself, and I have not looked at this. I have really no idea what a lot of this stuff is. So I don't know what this is, but it's tough to come out. So all right, this must be some kind of a guard or something, or yeah, it must be like some kind of a fence. Okay, so and then I also have the bit set. So I'm gonna take a look at this real quick. So it looks like you can adjust to whatever 1/2 inch, let's say a 1/2 inch depth right there, I guess. Okay, and then you just lock it down. Oh, okay. So, all right. Well, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so I don't quite understand it. Maybe somebody can help me. You have these two grooves right here, okay? And, excuse me, the book shows, well, the cat's laying on the book. Give me my book. The book shows that this piece will go here, but I'm very confused why does it have grooves? Um, I guess I don't understand it. And it also shows this center hole with a bolt, and I don't have a pin for that. All I have is this to, I guess, yeah, I guess it goes like this. I'm very confused. I'm confused about this, if I'm being honest. The bolt goes up through the bottom. Okay, yeah, I'm very confused on this. It doesn't surprise me, but I guess. I don't know. I'm not going to use it. Okay. But I just wanted to show you. Okay. So this guard, so you put it on, and you can flip this bottom part. You you can flip this part either way, either up or down. So I have it like that. So then you don't go too far. So I guess I figured it out. The manual's kind of vague, but I'm going to try it out here in a minute. Okay, right here is a little button that when you unscrew the nut, you can see in here, turn that, there's that, there's a little tiny hole right there that pin goes into, so you can tighten the nut. All right, let's put a bit in it. All right, so here is the bit. Oh, let me cut this out. Okay, so one cat. All right, so this is how silly and naive I guess I am, is that I didn't realize I was having such a hard time getting to the nut. I didn't realize you could just do that. So you could just move this. Well, that kind of puts a whole new coat of paint on it now, doesn't it? Again, if I'm doing this wrong, please tell me. This is just kind of what the instructions say. All right, I got this piece of 2x4. I'm just going to clamp it down and we're going to give it a try. All right, so here's the on-off switch. Here is our speed control from 10,000 RPMs to 30,000 RPMs. And it says it pulls 6.5 amps. So I'm going to start it on the slowest. Okay. Now, put it up here. And I'm just going to try it. I'll put it up on 2. Okay. All right, that really throws off some dust. Pretty easy to use. Here, I'll do another one here. And do this other side. Put it on there and you see the nice round that it does. I like that. That will be that'll be very nice. Now I got a little bit of chop right here. I'm going to try to run it over that again. But maybe I don't think I was holding it steady enough. Guess I should probably look the way that spins. Okay, so yeah, I need to go this way. Okay, if I want to go a little deeper, put it there on 1/2 inch. I'm going to open her up. Okay. Yeah, very nice. I like that. Okay, so the back of this was on the back, and it actually shows what the kit includes: a straight bit, round over bits, and even the maximum RPM. So that's really nice to know. So yeah, and it fits right here in the back. So I like that. That's very nice. So overall, for a handheld router, uh, I, I think it'll do everything I need. I'm just really looking just to round off some of the corners. Yeah, I like it. I mean, for $59, and I think I have that inside track. I think this was 29, regularly 39. But this seems like this will be more than what I probably need. Okay, so very happy with it. If Oh, here's where the brushes are for the motor. That it comes with a set of replaceable brushes. Um, if there's any tips that you guys have, anything I missed, let me know, and maybe I'll make a follow-up video on it. But this will do everything that I need it to do. So, okay. As always, I thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Almost to 2,700 subscribers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.